I know that God helps me. Psalm 54:4. I know that God helps me. Psalm 54:4.
I know God is bigger, I know God is stronger, and He can do it better. So I can do anything, anything. God is with me. Big things, I can do it, do it. Big things, I can do it with God's help. Big things, I can do it, do it. Big things, I can do it with God's help. 1, 2, we can do anything, oh yes, it's true. And with God's help, we know nothing is impossible. And I can do anything, anything. God is with me. Big things, I can do it, do it. Big things, I can do it with God's help. Big things, I can do it, do it. Big things, I can do it with God's help. So big. With God's help, so big. Yeah, with God's help, so big. With God's help, so big. Yeah, with God's help. Big things, I can do it, do it. Big things, I can do it with God's help. Big things, I can do it, do it. Big things, I can do it with God's help.
Who know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Oh, hi, friends. I'm Zoe. And do you see this mess? All of this has to be cleaned up. This mess is so big. I don't even know where to start. I mean, it took me and my friends all morning to make this mess. But we sure had fun. First, we built the world's tallest block tower. Then, we painted a poster of everything God made. Then, we made a super awesome blanket fort. It was all so fun, but so messy.
Who?
It's Ollie!
Hello, Zoe. Who? Need to clean up a bit, do you?
Oh, hi, Ollie. This mess is so big. I don't know if we'll ever clean it up.
I know the mess seems big. Yes, it's true. And I know someone else with a big thing to do. Listen to this story. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Wow, Stormy Jane, that's a really big dog bone. How nice of your friend to help you carry it. Oh, hi friends. I'm Carrie the dog walker, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. And this is her friend, Goldie. They work together to carry that big dog bone. It's good to have people to help you when you have to do something really big, like carry a big dog bone. Hey, that reminds me of a story. Do you want to hear it? Great! This true story from the Bible begins with a man named Nehemiah. Nehemiah worked for the king. Everyone say, "Hi, Nehemiah." Hi, Nehemiah. Nehemiah had a big job to do. Would you like to hear what God wanted Nehemiah to do? If you do, put your arms out like this and say, "So big, so big." One day, Nehemiah heard that the wall around the city of Jerusalem was broken. It had lots of holes in it. This made Nehemiah very sad because that's where his family lived. So Nehemiah prayed to God. One day, the king saw that Nehemiah was sad. Can I see your sad faces? Yes, Nehemiah was so sad. Nehemiah told the king about the broken wall where his family lived. Then Nehemiah asked if he could go to Jerusalem and help fix the wall. And the king said yes. When Nehemiah arrived in Jerusalem to fix the wall, there were some people who did not want the wall to be fixed. So Nehemiah walked around quietly at night to see what parts of the wall needed to be fixed. Can you stand up and tiptoe with me? We're gonna walk quietly. Ready? Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Now look. Let's walk some more. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Look again. Great job. You can sit down now. Once Nehemiah saw everything that needed to be fixed, he told the Israelites they had a big job to do. God was going to help them work together to fix the wall. All the people started working together. Dads helped, moms helped, brothers, sisters, aunts, and uncles helped. Some people worked on this side, some people worked on that side. When they all worked together, they were able to do the big job. Everybody say, "Hooray! Hooray!" Nehemiah and God's people worked together to fix the wall around Jerusalem. God helped them do big things, and God helps you and me do big things too. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who helps you do big things?
God helps me do big things. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who helps you do big things?
God helps me do big things. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Nehemiah found people to help, and together they fixed the wall too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo! Hoo!
Wow, the wall was all broken down and it made such a big mess. But Nehemiah and the people worked together to fix the wall. I think I've got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Hey, I don't have to clean up this mess alone. My friends can help me. I'll clean up the blocks. Danny can clean up the fort. And Piper can clean up the art supplies. And then we can celebrate because God helps us do big things. I'll see you next time. Bye.